and I'll buy you one too.
Okay, cool. What?
Nothing. What are your favorite songs again?
Like Rehab?
So she keeps calling that song 27 Plain Bounce.
That's funny.
Alright, I was just curious. Okay, bye little spatula girl.
Bye.
Okay, bye, I love you.
Love you.
I just know that I know I'm not around as much, so I know that's why it's hard for you to warm up to me. Are you mad that I'm always gone? When we hang out together, why don't we have more fun? I want to go out and take you to movies and stuff like that, but I can't because of who I am. I mean, you don't understand that yet. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Her name's Casey. She just turned 10. Happy birthday. No fear. Lace up. Okay.
Go for broke?
Go for broke.
Isn't 27 Plain Bounce on there too?
20, yeah, it's just called 27. Remember when you...
It's lit!
Sometimes it's not too scary for you.
Hey!
Yeah.
Here he is. Oh, oh, oh.
Here on the carpet of the Kids' Choice Awards, I brought my date. Slide time. Are you ready, Case? Okay. 2, 3.
Let's see Santa.
Alright, hold on. I'm about to grab Santa. Hold up. Hey, yo. You bounced 27 down for me to listen to on the airplane ride, and you named it 27 Plain Bounce.
Oh, yeah.
On my daughter's computer, it's labeled 27 Plain Bounce.
Casey, tell him, show him, it's a rabbit, 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 girls, rabbit. Go, go, go.
Dance, dance, Casey, dance.
Look at my boobs. Look at my boobs. Look at my boobs. Look at my
Go Casey, go! Go Casey, go Casey, go! Go Casey, go Casey, go! Go Casey! God, keep playing with me. Look what I got. Look what I got on deck. I swear to God. Go ahead, big bombs. Ow! Ah! Ow!
John Kelly's daughter, the queen of planet Earth. That's how you do karate. I'm ready to earn my sticker.
One special guest. She has to get ready. Cold. Snap. See, we're good. We're on style. We're ready to go. You good? Good? This is my daughter, Casey. Machine Gun Casey. Say hi. I'm Frankie and I don't want to eat my sandwich. Here.
Oh, you'll eat it for Instagram? Go inside this mall and buy a bunch of copies of the CD. I'll buy you one.
What?
I'm gonna go in the store and buy a bunch of copies of the CDs right now. I'll buy you one. Never mind.
No, what? Tell me, tell me.
I was saying I'm gonna go in the store and buy a bunch of Bloom CDs.
Dad.
Oh wait, dude, what if we did this? What if we put a bunch of emotions like mad, scared?
I want to go.
Oh! Someone take me. Hey, someone take me. I'm a superstar, let's go and get it. Kiss the sky, I kiss the sky. I say kiss the sky,
Like your A's that you do on t-shirts and stuff?
Right, yeah.
Coochie, flex on them, ayy, flex on them, flex on them, flex on them, ayy, flex on them, flex on them, flex on them, ayy, flex on them, flex on them, ayy.
The part about bringing the donuts to my daughter's school this morning was the 1,000 FaceTime calls that she made from the school bus to tell me she'd be so embarrassed if I walked in with my tattoos out in front of her teachers. So wear a lot of clothes.
Nice.
Nice piece. Okay, we'll go put it on.
Happy 10th birthday, Casey!
And that's the team.
Dad, here!
Waking up with me is like, no, go to bed.
It's Disney car!
Oh god.
Case, give me a high five. Case, give me a high five. Oh. Case, give me a high five. Case, give me a high five. Case, give me a high five. Take that. Give me some. Give me some.
My bad about that mix-up yesterday. Loco music video drops at midnight. Let's go.
Okay, wait. I wish you would listen. Look at your plate. You ain't even eat your chicken.
Dude, I have a question. Does any of this mean anything? Like, do those equations, are they actually accurate?
Sorry we woke you up, but you just turned 10. Which face? Which face?
Angry!
Wake up and be happy, or you can wake up and be mad. I usually wake up and make the wrong choice, but my best friend is over here giving me smiling lessons. She's teaching me how to smile. Okay.
My baby girl, I love you.
They made Daddy ponytail and it looks beautiful.
Don't have a daughter, y'all.
1,007 years old, Mama told me
You're only once I was 7 years old.
it was a big, big world, but we know we go bigger, pushing each other to the limit. We'll learn They made Daddy ponytail and it looks beautiful.
Don't have a daughter, y'all.